You know that classic scenario? You invest in a headset, and after a year, it looks like it's been through a war. The synthetic leather is flaking everywhere, peeling onto your ears, your shoulders. It's a disaster. What if I told you there's a way out of that? A solution designed for people like you, who want a quality headset but aren't looking to empty their pockets for a premium model. This is the Redragon Zeus Light, and it makes a bold promise to be one of the best, if not the best, entry-level options on the market. But does it actually live up to the hype? That's what we're about to find out. Let's get straight to the look and feel. And the first impression is, wow! The build quality is solid in a way you just don't expect at this price point. The headband is metal, sturdy, very similar to its more expensive siblings, the Zeus X and the Pro. Props to Redragon for not cutting corners on the frame of this thing. But its true secret weapon, what really makes it shine, is the comfort. The magic here is a combination of two things. The earpads and the headband are made of fabric. This solves two problems at once. First, you can say goodbye for good to the nightmare of a peeling headset. And second, man, the comfort is insane. It's extremely lightweight and doesn't have that vice grip pressure on your head, even for those of us who wear glasses. And you know that swampy, hot ear feeling you get with leatherette headphones? With fabric, that's drastically reduced. You can go on for gaming marathons for hours on end without feeling uncomfortable. In this department, it's a 10 out of 10. Okay, so it's a comfortable tank, but a headset is for listening. So how does it sound? For an entry-level headset, the quality is surprisingly good. The sound signature is the classic one from the Zeus line. Strong, present bass that gives impact to explosions, mids that keep voices and effects clear, and highs that don't get lost in the chaos. You won't get lost during gameplay. So, who is it for? For single-player games, the stereo immersion is excellent. In FPS games, you can clearly identify if an opponent is coming from the left or the right. And who is it not for? Being 100% honest, if you play competitively, like for real, you'd be better off investing in a mid-range headset, maybe one with 7. One surround sound for more precise spatial awareness. The manufacturer claims it has 3D sound, but if you're buying it specifically for that purpose, it falls short. So far, the Zeus Light sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, this is where the trade-off comes in. All that value had to come from cutting corners somewhere, and that corner is the microphone. Let's be direct. The audio pickup is, without a doubt, its biggest weakness. Your voice comes through a bit quiet, slightly muffled, and it has no noise cancellation whatsoever. This means the clicks from your mechanical keyboard, the TV in the living room, a conversation in the background. All of that will leak through to your friends on the call. Now, if you're blasting it at 100% volume, the sound does leak from the earpads. However, around 80%, the leak is much less noticeable, and you can still stay immersed. Does it get the job done for chatting on Discord with friends? Yes. But if you're thinking of streaming, recording videos, or need crystal clear communication, it's going to let you down. Now, you can use software like NVIDIA Broadcast to reduce background noise, which would make the microphone much more usable. On the plus side, the microphone is detachable, so you can always just use a desktop mic and keep the headset. So, the final verdict. Is it worth it or not? The answer is a big, loud. It depends. So, who is the Redragon Zeus Light the perfect purchase for? For you, the gamer who plays a lot and is sick and tired of headsets that peel and clamp down on your head. For you, who doesn't have the cash to invest in a premium model, but still demands a durable build. And most importantly, for you, who needs good audio output for gaming and just needs a microphone to get by with. If you fit that profile, you can go for it without a second thought. You're basically trading a top-tier microphone for durability, comfort, and audio output from a much higher price category. The Zeus Light does exactly what its name suggests. It takes the weight off your head and, more importantly, off your wallet, delivering the essentials with impressive quality. But if the microphone is a deal breaker for you, don't worry, I've got you covered. There are other strong competitors in this category, like the HyperX Stinger 2 Core or the JBL Quantum 100. I've already reviewed several of them, And I'll leave the videos linked up here in the cards and down in the description so you can compare and make the best choice. And if you've decided that the Zeus Light is the headset for you and want to support the channel, my trusted affiliate links will be down in the description. By purchasing through them, you don't pay a single cent more, and you directly help support our work here. A huge thank you to everyone who watched this far. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.